As stalwarts in the industry, Apple and OnePlus have established themselves as leaders in delivering exceptional user experiences and powerful performance.
I see.
With the release of their upcoming flagship smartphone models inbound, users' anticipation and excitement are reaching new heights. Today, we're here to discuss leaks and expectations regarding Apple's iPhone 15 and OnePlus 11T. Let's get started. Design. Apple is renowned for its unwavering commitment to product design. Last year's iPhone 14 is a prime illustration of retaining an identical design to its forerunner. Despite its good-looking appearance, the design lacked any distinctive features.
That's true.
The flat aluminum sides, front notch cutout, and square camera module on the rear felt all too familiar. However, a slight departure from the norm is anticipated this year.
You won't disappoint me?
While the overall format is likely to be retained, the iPhone 15 is expected to embrace the dynamic island design introduced in the 14 Pro models, along with the inclusion of a USB-C port. In contrast, the OnePlus 11T, while having a refreshing design with a unique camera module blended into its side frame, will also share similarities with its predecessor.
Really?
While the OnePlus 11T will be much larger and heavier, the iPhone 15 is expected to boast a more durable and compact build. Display. Apple and OnePlus are considered among the brands with the best displays. While OnePlus devices feature fluid AMOLED panels with high refresh rates, Apple's displays offer excellent color accuracy, wide viewing angles, and high pixel densities. So then, what about the 11T and iPhone 15? For those who relish expansive displays, the OnePlus 11T will undoubtedly captivate with its 6.7-inch AMOLED FHD Plus screen, boasting a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ content support. While the iPhone 15's 6.1-inch exhibit, boasting a 60Hz refresh rate, may not be as expansive and all-encompassing as the OnePlus 11T, it exudes a luminosity and clarity that is unparalleled. Generally, both displays are pretty impressive and possess distinct merits that set them apart from one another. Whether it's watching videos or images captured with the unique cameras on either device, which we'll get into very soon, you'll find it quite pleasing.
Can't wait.
Ultimately, the decision of the better display is a matter of personal preference. Camera. Apple's cameras are widely considered the best in the industry.
That's no one.
Although they usually lack higher pixel count, with high-quality camera sensors, image processing algorithms, and computational photography techniques, Apple is always on top of its game. Last year, the iPhone 14 delivered expected results with its familiar dual-camera system, and this year will not be any different. The iPhone 15 is expected to have a dual-camera setup with a 12-megapixels primary camera and a 12-megapixels ultra-wide shooter. We're not sure what extra features Apple will add. The OnePlus 11T, however, will come with a quad-camera setup on the rear with 64 megapixels plus 12 megapixels plus 5 megapixels plus 2 megapixels cameras. While previous versions of both phones captured great shots in good lighting, the iPhone 14 had an edge in low-light photography and video performance. That said, we're curious to see how it'll play out this year. We'll update you with hands-on reviews once they are released, so subscribe to our channel and get notified whenever we drop. Performance. Last year's iPhone 14 used the same A15 Bionic chipset as the iPhone 13 versions, with the only notable upgrade being the additional GPU core and a bump in RAM from 4GB to 6GB. However, the Pro versions got a newer A16 chipset due to Apple's goal to draw a line between their base and premium models.
Okay.
We'll likely get a similar scenario this year. This means the iPhone 15 will be powered by the A16 Bionic chip for last year's iPhone 14 Pro versions. In contrast, the OnePlus 11T will feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 4nm, chip, offering 8GB LPDDR5 RAM. Both phones are excellent performers in day-to-day tasks.
Fantastic.
Whether juggling multiple apps or playing graphics-intensive games, you're unlikely to encounter a major slowdown or lag on these phones. And you don't have to worry about battery life either, since both devices are exceptional.
Fantastic!
We'll discuss more on that soon. That being said, the iPhone 15 is more powerful in terms of raw power. Battery. While last year's OnePlus 11T lost to the iPhone 14 in the camera race, the battery department was a different story, packing a 4,800 mAh battery, which could deliver up to 6 to 7 hours of screen time with moderate usage. This year, it's going to get even better. The OnePlus 11T will feature a 5,100 mAh with fast charging and a USB Type-C port. While the iPhone 15 is expected to get a bump in charging speed due to the rumored switch to USB-C this year, the battery capacity is expected to remain the same.
No change? No.
This means we'll get a 3,200 mAh battery with around 3 to 4 hours of screen time. Of course, the mileage will vary depending on your usage patterns. That said, the iPhone 15 could boast considerably better battery life due to major efficiency improvements afforded by its performance chip. Let us know in the comments section if you think the difference in battery life will be massive this year. Price. OnePlus T series offers one of the most affordable packages that deliver a flagship smartphone experience. The power and value it offers at its price tag are simply unmatched, from a big beautiful AMOLED display and powerful chipset to crazy fast charging speed and a rich software experience. The previous model started at $649. So, will there be any changes this year?
You tell me.
Very unlikely. The price range is expected to be retained. While we expect a price bump for the iPhone 15 premium versions, the base models will likely keep their price tag. This means the iPhone 15 will sell for $799, just like its previous model. It's an exciting time for smartphones as the iPhone 15 and the OnePlus 11T bring their unique offerings to the table. Both devices clearly have their merits, and ultimately, the choice between them will depend on individual preferences and priorities.
That's very true.
But either way, you can expect a top-notch device packed with advanced features and the latest technology. Of course, it's not just the OnePlus and Apple battling it out in the premium market.
Wow.
Google and Samsung have some impressive contenders too, like the Pixel 7 and Galaxy S24. We'll be discussing those in our next video,